Awesome. Thank you. You as well. We'll be back. Wow. It's very flat.
The Refuge and the Great Salt Lake support critical habitat for one of the world's largest concentrations of American advocates, Wilson's phalaropes, cinnamon teals, and snowy plovers.
Like a little trail here we're going to be doing. Maybe a little bit of it, not the whole thing. Yeah, Bay River Migratory Bird Refuge. Let's check it out.
Oh, babe, look at the sun rays coming down.
I think this is 170 acres of protected land. Well, we definitely see a lot of birds and stuff. They're all in that like far distance. I'm trying to zoom in with my camera and get some shots for you guys, but we'll see if they go through or not. Back to the car, go on our next adventure. Load up. Look, girl. Yeah. Just saying, guys, I haven't really filled you in yet, but we're sleeping in my car tonight. So we're not going outside camping. I'm going to sleep, me, my girlfriend, and Kai in the back of my Kia Rio. Yup. Hatchback. Just so you know. Well, guys, right before we go into the canyon, basically, we stopped at this oh my gosh, we stopped at this gas station, and my car would not turn on. So luckily we had basically an angel on our side there, and there's a guy that parked right next to me with a truck. He went inside, came back out, and he had like this little computer that just got everything going. But now I don't trust parking in the canyon, especially when we're sleeping in the car. So we're gonna be probably using a little bit of the battery, you know. Obviously I have my own little battery, but yeah, so
we're going home.
We're going home. Maybe home, but maybe close to home. I want to do something. There's no way we just came all the way out here for a bird refuge, but we kind of did. So we're gonna go find out other stuff to do. I'm sorry, babe.
All good.
We both don't want to get stuck out there, especially with our doggy.
Yeah.
And we don't really have any food. We were just gonna get like fast foods and stuff. So we're definitely not risking that. Play it safe, guys. Don't be stupid out there.